Welcome back to the Gundam Travel channel. This is the second part of exploring cruise series. You can watch our first room and ship tour in the link above. In this video, we are going to see activities and games that you can do in Voyager of the Seas. Let's start! Sightseeing. We can see this beautiful blue scenery. It makes you relax just to sit and enjoy the view. Try to catch the sunset or sunrise. It's going to be an amazing scenery. I watched Black Panther, they just released a few months ago. You can swim with your children in the swimming pool, or you can find several jacuzzi pools around the ship. You can always take this nice ice cream when the weather is hot. Let's see what we can do next. Sports. We can play ping pong or table tennis, mini golf, basketball, rock climbing, flow rider. This is one of the most favorite water sports. You must book as soon as possible because this game will fill up very fast. If you buy the internet package, you can also play your mobile games. The connection is very good here. For me, I play Pokemon Go while we are docking at the port. The fitness facilities here are very complete, from cardio until weight machine. There are also yoga and aerobic class. After finish exercising, you can take jacuzzi, sauna or steam, then take a nice hot shower bath. Exercise and bath towel is prepared here. The library here is not too big, but it is quite comfortable to read your favorite book. Below the library we can find card room. Family like to come here to play mahjong, other play chess or several card games. You can also borrow board game that is available here. For me, I play Sudoku. They provide new Sudoku every day. You can also play Nintendo Wii, but you need to check the schedule because it is not open every day, and the device is very limited, so you better come faster. This is one of the games that I like. So this is a team play. Each group need to find crew nationality. You need to fill in his name, position, nationality, and signature. It is really fun as you will find out that the crew is actually from all around the world. If you cannot play ice skating, don't worry, you are not alone. This is also my first time, and I'm sure more than 50% are also the first timer. In my session, I can only show one person that can skate perfectly in the middle. The rest just holding on the sidebar. Remember to book the session as soon as it's open because it is very fast to fill up. This is where we do port visit on our cruise destination. For me, it's Port Klang. The location is near Kuala Lumpur and Batu Caves. You can purchase a guided tour and transportation from your cruise, and you can go there by yourself with taxi or other shuttle service. I just go to the port to look for something unique to drink. Besides all these activities and games, there are still a lot of things to do, like playing in casino, chilling in cafe and pub, listening to the live music, or maybe shopping in the tax-free shop. In the next video, we are going to watch the amazing performance that you can watch on the cruise. Here are some of the dance performance and ice skating show. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to support the channel. Don't forget to hit that bell button to get notified when I posted the new video.